Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Ethernet connection not working but Wi-Fi works on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Ethernet connection is not working and Wi-Fi is working, then I will show you how to fix these type of issues. First you have to just click on this start menu, then type here CMD, then click on this command prompt, right click on that, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Here you need to type ipconfig space /DNS, then hit enter. After completion of this, type the second command netsh space winswap space reset. After that hit enter. After completion of this, you have to restart your laptop or desktop. Just close this window and restart. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. If still you are facing the issue, then you have to check your LAN driver. For that you have to just click on the start menu, then type here device manager, click on this device manager. Here you can see network adapter, double click on that, select your Ethernet controller which is your LAN driver. If you see any yellow mark on this driver, means that your driver is corrupted. You have to just update your driver. Just right click on that, click on update driver, click on search automatically for the drivers. Before clicking this, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet. After connecting to the internet, then click on search automatically for the drivers and close this window. After completion of this, you have to restart again your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Ethernet connection not working but Wi-Fi works on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.